He makes $120,000 a year. Nice apartment, new car, weekend trips. Everything looks perfect. But last Tuesday, his card got declined buying groceries. Not a joke, not a fraud alert, zero balance. Now here's the strange part. There's another man in a small town who never earned more than $11 an hour. And somehow, he ended up with millions. So what's going on here? If high income doesn't make you rich, then what does? Meet Daniel, mid-30s, corporate job, good salary. The kind of life people scroll past and think he's doing well. Every month, money comes in, and almost instantly, it goes out. Rent, car payments, subscriptions, dining out, vacations to feel alive after stressful weeks. Daniel tells himself something most people believe. I just need to earn a little more. Then I'll be fine. So he works harder, gets a raise, upgrades his lifestyle, still broke, again and again. It's like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. No matter how fast he runs, he never gets ahead. And deep down, there's a quiet panic growing. Because if this is what success looks like, why does it feel like failure? Now, let's shift the scene. A completely different life. Small town. Vermont. An old man walks into a diner, orders the same simple breakfast he's had for years, wears the same jacket, drives a used car. People know him, but not really. His name is Ronald. He worked at a gas station. Later, as a janitor. Quiet life. No spotlight. No big income. If Daniel saw him, he might feel sorry for him. But here's what no one saw. While Daniel was upgrading his lifestyle, Ronald was upgrading something else. His future. Every time he earned money, he didn't rush to spend it. He saved a portion. And then, he invested it. Not in anything fancy. Just solid companies he understood. And then he did something almost no one has the patience for. He left it alone. This is where their paths split. Daniel thinks, I'll invest later, when I have more money. Ronald thinks, I'll invest now, even if it's small. That difference, it changes everything. Because of compound interest, which simply means your money earns returns. And then those returns start earning their own returns. Money, making money. And that money, making more money. Let's make it real. Imagine you invest just $300 a month. Not huge, just consistent. At an average return of 8% per year. After 10 years, it grows slowly. After 20 years, it starts picking up. But after 40, 50, even 60 years, it explodes. Not because you worked harder, but because your money had time to grow on itself. Meanwhile, Daniel keeps earning more, but spending just as fast. No investments growing in the background, no system, just effort, without momentum. Two people. One with a high income but no patience. The other with a low income but extreme consistency. Who wins? Years pass. Decades. Daniel is still working, still stressed, still thinking the next raise will fix everything. Then one day, in that quiet Vermont town, Ronald passes away. Nothing dramatic, no headlines at first. Just another old man gone, until the will is read. The lawyer clears his throat and says a number that doesn't make sense. $8 million. The room goes silent. This janitor, this quiet man, this poor-looking guy, was a multi-millionaire. Not secretly lucky, not secretly rich, just consistent for a very long time. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Income doesn't make you rich. Behavior does. Daniel earned more, but gave everything away to his lifestyle. Ronald earned less, but kept feeding his future. And here's the twist. Ronald didn't live like he had millions. But Daniel? He lived like he did. One actually had it. The other just looked like it. So the real question is, are you building wealth or just performing it? If this made you rethink money even a little, type START in the comments. Because that's all it takes. Not more income, not perfect timing. Just starting. And subscribe to Cash Narratives. Next week, we're breaking down the silent habit that keeps high earners broke.